The Kandao QooCam 3, Insta360 X4, GoPro Max, Insta360 ONE RS Twin, and Insta360 X3 are the most popular 360 cameras of 2024. But which is the absolute best? We are going to compare them to each other and score them in various categories, with some categories holding more weight than others. In the end, we'll decide which is the best one based on the final score, and we will declare the absolute winner. Let's dive in. First, we are going to compare them on the video quality category, which has a multiplier of 2. Let's start with the Kandao QooCam 3. This camera offers impressive 5.7K video resolution at 30 frames per second, providing crisp and detailed footage. However, some users have reported noticeable image sharpening artifacts, which can detract from the overall quality. I'd give it a solid 7 out of 10 for video quality. Moving on to the Insta360 X4, this camera takes things up a notch with its 8K resolution, resulting in stunning 2.7K reframed footage. The higher resolution really shines when reframing for 16, 9 or 9/16 aspect ratios, but it comes at a higher price point. For its exceptional video quality, I'm rating it 9 out of 10. The GoPro Max, while a bit older, still holds its own with 6K source video that gets stitched to 5.6K. The stitching can be noticeable at times, especially with objects close to the camera, but overall, it produces good quality footage. Considering its age and limitations, I'd give it 6 out of 10 for video quality. Next up is the Insta360 ONE RS Twin. This versatile camera offers 6K widescreen video at 24 or 25 frames per second with its 4K boost lens, delivering impressive detail and color accuracy. The modular design allows for flexibility, but switching between lenses can be a bit fiddly. For its overall performance, I'm rating it 8 out of 10. Finally, we have the Insta360 X3. This camera captures 5.7K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second, which is on par with some of its pricier competitors. While it may not have the highest resolution in the bunch, it offers excellent value for money and produces great quality footage. I'm giving it a solid 8 out of 10 for video quality. In the video quality department, the Insta360 X4 takes the crown with 9 points, thanks to its impressive 8K resolution and superior reframed footage quality. Next, we are going to compare them on the image stabilization category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The Kandao QooCam 3 boasts Super Steady Stabilization 2.0, utilizing a built-in 6-axis gyroscope to eliminate the need for a stabilizer during activities like handheld shooting and mountain biking. However, it falls short compared to some competitors in terms of advanced stabilization features, 7 out of 10. Insta360's X4 takes stabilization to the next level with its fantastic flow state technology, ensuring smooth footage even on bumpy roads. The only downside is that stabilization isn't available above 30 frames per second in Me mode, 9 out of 10. GoPro Max impresses with its blend of digital stabilization software from the Hero 8 Black and the full 360-degree perspective, effectively eliminating shaking and rattling from your footage. On the flip side, you might lose a bit of clarity during rapid rotations, 8 out of 10. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition features the company's excellent flow state stabilization, which is now more versatile with AI-powered auto-editing features in the smartphone app. However, it's not quite as advanced as the newer models in the lineup. 8 out of 10. Insta360 X3 takes the crown with its incredible flow state stabilization, coupled with 360-degree horizon lock that keeps your footage level even if the camera rotates a full 360 degrees. The only minor gripe is that it can sometimes over-smooth subtle movements, 9 out of 10. The Insta360 X3 and X4 tie for the top spot with 9 points each, offering unparalleled stabilization that truly makes you feel like you're floating through your adventures. Next, we are going to compare them on the durability and waterproofing category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. Let's start with the Kandao QooCam 3. This camera boasts an impressive IP68 rating, making it dust-tight and waterproof up to 33 feet for 30 minutes. However, I found that the lens protectors scratch easily, which could be a concern for long-term durability. I give it 8 out of 10 for durability and waterproofing. Moving on to the Insta360 X4. It features a robust build quality and is waterproof up to 33 feet without any additional housing. In my experience, it held up well during underwater shoots, but I noticed some fogging issues and extreme temperature changes. I rated 8.5 out of 10 for this category. The GoPro Max impresses with its rugged construction and waterproofing capabilities up to 16 feet without a case. While using it for surfing, I appreciated its durability, but I wish it could go deeper underwater like some of its competitors. It earns 8 out of 10 for durability and waterproofing. Next up is the Insta360 ONE RS Twin. This modular system is waterproof down to 16 feet with its mounting bracket on. I love how easy it is to swap lenses without compromising the waterproofing. but the modular design means more potential points of failure. I give it 7.5 out of 10 in this category. Finally, we have the Insta360 X3. This camera is IPX8 rated, allowing it to be submerged up to 33 feet underwater. During my beach trips, it handled sand and salt water like a champ, but I found the lens covers a bit flimsy and easy to lose. It scores 9 out of 10 for durability and waterproofing. The Insta360 X3 takes the crown in this category with 9 points, thanks to its excellent waterproofing and overall rugged design that can handle various environments without breaking a sweat. Next, we are going to compare them on the battery life category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. Let's start with the Kandao QooCam 3. This camera offers a decent battery life of up to 100 minutes when shooting in 4K at 30 frames per second, which is respectable for its price point. However, when cranking up the resolution to 8K, the battery life drops significantly to around 50 minutes, which might be a bit limiting for longer shooting sessions. I'd give it a 7 out of 10 for battery life. Moving on to the Insta360 X4, this camera really impressed me with its battery performance. It boasts an impressive 135 minutes of recording time at 5.7K 30 frames per second, which is a significant improvement over its predecessor. Even when shooting in 8K, you can still get about 75 minutes of recording time, which is quite impressive. I'm giving it a solid 9 out of 10 for battery life. Now let's talk about the GoPro Max. While it's an older model, it still holds up pretty well in terms of battery life. You can expect to get around 85 minutes of recording time at its highest resolution, which is decent, but not outstanding compared to newer models. However, I did experience some issues with the battery draining faster than expected in certain conditions. I'd rate it 6 out of 10 for battery life. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin is an interesting case. Its modular design allows for flexibility, but it does impact battery life somewhat. You can expect about 75 minutes of recording time at 4K 60 frames per second, which is decent, but not spectacular. On the plus side, you can easily swap out batteries if you need more recording time. I'm giving it a 7 out of 10 for battery life. Finally, we have the Insta360 X3. This camera surprised me with its battery performance, especially considering its price point. It can record for up to 81 minutes at 5.7K 30 frames per second, which is quite impressive. Plus, it never ran out on me during long shooting sessions, even when testing it for a few hours. I'm rating it 8 out of 10 for battery life. The Insta360 X4 takes the crown in this category with its impressive 9 out of 10 score, offering the best balance of long recording times across various resolutions and frame rates, making it a reliable choice for extended shooting sessions. Finally, we are going to compare them on the connectivity and app integration category, which has a multiplier of 2. Let's start with the Kandao QooCam 3. The QooCam 3 app offers basic editing features and intelligent tracking tools, but it lacks the advanced capabilities found in competitors' apps. While the connection to the app is faster than previous models, the overall software experience feels limited compared to other options on the market. I give it a 6 out of 10 for connectivity and app integration. Moving on to the Insta360 X4, this camera shines with its powerful mobile and desktop apps. The Insta360 app allows for quick and creative editing, including AI-powered features and a wide range of templates. However, I found that uploading 360-degree footage to YouTube through the app resulted in lower quality than expected. Overall, I rate it 8 out of 10 for its robust app ecosystem. The GoPro Max, while slightly older, still offers solid connectivity options. The GoPro app provides a user-friendly interface for editing and sharing content, with features like reframing and adding effects. However, I noticed that the app can be a bit sluggish when handling large 360-degree files. I give it a 7 out of 10 for connectivity and app integration. Next up is the Insta360 ONE RS Twin. This camera benefits from the same powerful Insta360 app as the X4, offering a wide range of editing tools and creative options. The app's ability to output both vertical and horizontal video from the same footage is particularly useful for social media content. I rate it 8 out of 10 for its versatile app integration. Lastly, we have the Insta360 X3. Despite being the most affordable option, it doesn't skimp on app features. The Insta360 app provides a comprehensive suite of editing tools, including Deep Track for automatic subject tracking and AI-powered editing. While the app's music library could use more variety, its overall functionality is impressive. I give it a solid 9 out of 10 for connectivity and app integration. The Insta360 X3 takes the crown in this category with its impressive 9 points, offering the best balance of features and value for money in terms of app integration and connectivity. The results of our comparison show each product shines in its own way, but the Insta360 X4 stands out with its score of 73.75. This 360-degree camera impressed me across the board, from its unparalleled 8K video quality to its fantastic flow state image stabilization, robust waterproofing, exceptional battery life, and comprehensive app ecosystem. While using it, I experienced its top-notch performance, crisp video quality at all times, smooth footage even in challenging conditions, and impressive durability. Despite a higher price point, its leading features and quality make it a worthy investment for any serious content creator. Though our winner stands out, the other products in this comparison, the Kandao QooCam 3, GoPro Max, Insta360 ONE RS Twin, and Insta360 X3, are worth mentioning for their outstanding features and performance in their own right. The QooCam 3 and GoPro Max hold their own with decent performance across all categories. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin, offering flexibility with its modular design, just fell short of our winner in terms of score. The Insta360 X3, despite being the most affordable among the bunch, surprised us with its high-quality footage, impressive stabilization, and excellent app integration. It's important to remember that while there can only be one winner, each camera offers unique features that can be better suited to your specific needs. Choose the one that checks all your boxes.